Hi, welcome to World Health. My name is Fulvia Santoni and I am very excited to bring you the latest news in beauty and health. I'm here with Michael Legal, the CEO of
First Alternatives.
First Alternatives, and he's going to tell us about this amazing product.
Basically, we have a product that is fantastic for chronic and acute pain. Well, one of the wow factor things that we see on a daily basis and almost every time we work on it is its ability to work on the scar tissue in any type of situation, no matter how length of time. And I have Bill here to tell you the story of one treatment what we did today. We'll tell you that right here.
So yeah, I was just over here and was looking at some of the stuff that he did, and I have a scar of a bicep tendon that I ruptured about 6 years ago, and wanted to see what he could do with it. So he basically took it and spent about 15 minutes on it. And before, if you can see it, it used to have a lot of bumps, and it was really, it was really severe and noticeable. And what he's done in about 15 minutes, literally, you'd have to look pretty hard to see where the tissue is even damaged. I was a little skeptical, but seeing it certainly is believing.
Wow, that's amazing. Can you explain to us a little bit about
Sure, absolutely. So our technology is a microcurrent-based technology. It uses a biphasic sinusoidal waveform. This waveform fluctuates back and forth so that the brain never gets accustomed to it. Then what happens is we send a carrier signal with it, or another, like a specific frequency point of a hertz. So for example, on this right here, we used a mode inside of our machine called Blue Relax. And we painted the device on for about 15 minutes, just putting it right on the spots and then slowly massaging the area, just like this, where you barely have to feel it as it's working. And what you'll see over the period of time as we were using it, we turned it on, you would see you would see it start to smooth, like this used to be bumpy, you would see it start to smooth, but then you would start to see it where at certain angles, you would even have trouble seeing it where it was, and this was something that was clearly there before. But what's really cool about it is it's what's happening underneath, because it's breaking up that scar tissue underneath. And so people that have real big issues that scars bring, you can look at it, you see, if you have a scar, it can put all sorts of things in your body, nerve damage in the future. This is the technology that's going to save you from those things.
So does this work for athletes also, for example, acrobats and things like that?
Fantastic for pain, Achilles tendons, plantar fasciitis, sciatica, carpal tunnel, neuropathy. One of the things that I really like for First Alternatives is we came with some protocols that we tried through the practitioners. What I've done is I put money-back guarantees on home devices. What we do is we like to match your symptom with a protocol so that we can make it affordable. And then what we say is, listen, if it doesn't work, please return it. We have to take the device back. I've had 0 returns in the last year of home devices.
Oh wow, so this is, you have two different ones, a home device and like a different...
We have a professional model that is designed to do an arsenal of things that a lot of different practitioners can use. So anything from MDs, chiropractors, acupuncturists, PTs, LMTs, they all have a way that they can add this into their practice. Estheticians, spas, using microcurrent facelifts, that they can use this effectively. And we give them the protocols for the things that they see on a daily basis. But when you have a situation like, let's say, neuropathy, and you have a person that has to go home and see repetitive treatments, they can't go to the doctor every day or go into the situation. So what we've come up with is a simple take-home device that they take home with them, match it with a specific frequency that we know works, give them our protocol, and that's how we see the results we see on a daily basis.